Hey everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back. We are in our week 1 video around getting around in Canvas. This video is going to help you know how to do different assignments, how to work through a Canvas class, and just how to successfully do things in Canvas. So here I am, I'm logged in as a test student right now. I'm in our middle school preview class. And right now I'm in the modules view. I want to start off by modules because they're really important. This class and any class that you take in Canvas is organized by modules. That's how the teacher sets up what learning activities, what assignments, the order and what they want you to do things, the due dates, all of that is easiest seen in the modules. So usually the home page, that's where you see like teacher information or introduction video or things like that. But if you really want to work on a class, you need to come in here, you need to click on modules, and there you go. So let's take a look at some of the modules we have in our middle school preview class. At the very top, the first module is Introduction to the Middle School Preview class. Let me just make sure we kind of know all the stuff that's showing here in this first module. It says I need to complete all items. So this has a module requirement. There's only one thing in here, but I need to complete it. Right here where it says view, this is the thing I actually need to do. I need to click and view this video getting started in the middle school preview class. Once I do it on the far right, I'll get a green check mark that appears showing that yes, I completed that item. If I scroll down and try to start the week 1 module, I can't do it. It's all grayed out. I can't click on anything. And it even says right here, there's some prerequisites. You first need to do the introduction module. I need to complete everything here before it'll unlock and open up everything down below. Okay, so let's do that. I'm in here as a test student. I'm going to do my requirement. I'm going to view the video. I'm going to do that just by clicking right on it. Here's the video getting started in the middle school preview class. Hopefully you already watched this. If you haven't, this just helps you get to know how to log into Clever, Canvas, Google, and get into all the right things. Click play. It's going to play right there. Snazzy little video. All right, I'm done. Assuming you've already watched all that, you can watch all that too. Let's go back to the modules page and let's see what happens now that I actually viewed it. Look at that. Now it says it's viewed. So I did that. I completed the item. It's check marked. It's completed. The whole module is completed because I've done everything that I needed to do. And now look at week 1. Week 1 is now opened up. I'm able to do the week 1 getting around in Canvas. Here's this video right here. If you click on it, you got to view it, but that's the video you're watching right now. Okay, so what do I need to do in this module? There's a video I need to watch. The second thing says there's a discussion. What do I think about Canvas? There's a discussion question. It's due on May 8th. It's worth 5 points. And I need to contribute to it, which means I need to go in and contribute to the discussion, read what other people do, be part of what's going on. Okay, I can do that. Once I do that, that'll check that item off. There's an assignment. Did I successfully log into Clever, Google, and Canvas? May 9th. That's due on May 9th. It's worth 5 points as well, and I need to submit this assignment. We're going to go over how to submit that. So once I do that, that'll check off. And then finally, I've got a quiz for this week 1. How well do I know Canvas? It's due on May 10th. So different due dates. It's worth 5 points. And I need to submit it. So you can see really easily how modules really helps you know kind of what order I need to do things. Looks like I should first watch the video. Once I learn stuff from the video, then I'll be able to do the discussion, then I'll be able to do the assignment, and then I'll be able to do the quiz, and then everything will be check marked and done. I've completed all the items, and then I'll be able to do week 2. All right, so you're kind of getting the hang of it, right? This is modules view. Before we really dive into specific assignments, let's go back to look at some of the other menus. Grades, as soon as anything is graded, and if you have feedback, you'll see a little blue dot showing you that you have some grades. So let's just click on here real fast. And you can see right here, here's the different assignments I have. I can see if I turned it in, I can see what score I have. If there's teacher feedback, I can click on it. And it's just a helpful way to see how you're doing. Once I do some grades, I'll see my overall score on the top right. And I can even print out all my grades if I need to. So the grade menu is handy to know how you're doing in a class. The other ones are pretty self-explanatory. If I just want to see my assignments, click on assignments. If I just want to go to discussions, right here, quizzes, Google Drive, we'll be linking our Google Drive and submitting Google Docs, so you can use your Google Drive to do that as well. And people, I don't know if you have these two. People just shows you who else is in the class, and you definitely do not have the Zoom option there. Let's click on the home button for a section. Now it may look a little bit different, but I want to show you some things on the home. So when you first click on a class, right now it's set for the home page being modules, but there's some other things that view on the right side as well. Look at all this to do. So I can see a to-do list of things that I have coming up for this week, and it helps me stay on top of what is due, what is required, and what I have coming up. So to do, I need to do this discussion question. I'm going to be aware of that and click on it and it'll do it. Besides the to-do section, you'll show up with feedback. You'll see some other things populate up on here on the right side as well. So if a teacher grades it, you'll see current feedback and it'll show you what has been graded. Okay, lastly, I wanted to go over how to do this specific assignment. So let's go to modules. Let's do the discussion question. Make sure you know where to click. So we're going to do this discussion. What do I think about Canvas? I'm going to click on it and you'll see I have a prompt. Hey everyone, you can read through the prompt and there's some specific things I want you to do. I want you to answer, what do you like best about Canvas so far? What are some things you're still not sure of? And how does Canvas help teachers and students at Summit Learning Charter? So I got the prompt and I'm ready to do it. Okay, I can see it's graded. When I'm ready to submit it, I'm going to go all the way down and click on the reply button. I want to reply to this discussion and start contributing to it. Click on reply and you'll see you have a text box open up. And I'm replying to this discussion prompt. All right, once I'm done, there's a post reply. And look at that, it looks a little wiggy, but there it is. I was a test student, I responded at 2:45, there's my response. Again, this is a discussion, so we really want it to be collaborative with everybody. So you will easily see other people responding. So you can read all your other classmates' responses, respond to them, and just really have an ongoing conversation about Canvas this week. So hopefully you got that. There is a discussion question. Look for that reply button and you got it. All right, let's do the next assignment, modules. Notice my discussion, I contributed it. Now it's checkmarked, it is done. All right, the assignment. Did I successfully log into Clever, Google, and Canvas? Let's take a look at what an assignment looks like. So here I can see the assignment title. Right there in front of me is the submit button. So when I'm ready to turn it in, when I'm ready to do this assignment, I click submit. It's due May 9th, worth 5 points. And what do I need to submit? I need to submit a text entry box. All right, here's the assignment. I need to log into Clever, log into Canvas, log into Google Apps. When I've done these things, then you can click submit. So we really want you to make sure you're reading instructions carefully. I'd like you to do the following. Type in, yes, I have successfully logged into Clever, Canvas, and Google. And then I want to find a website that is a favorite website you like to go to and paste the link in the website. And then tell me in a paragraph why that is my favorite website. Okay, so I've done all that. I'm ready to submit it. There's no submit button down here because that is right at the very top. All right, there's my text entry box. So yes, I have successfully logged into Clever, Canvas, and Google. Notice it's giving me a red line. It doesn't like the way I spelled successfully. I can right click. Whoops, I wanted to change it successfully. Make sure you're definitely doing some spell check. And my favorite website, let's just do www.google.com. It's a good website. And why is it my favorite? I can find stuff. I like learning about stuff, finding stuff. Google is the best place. Good, I've just done this assignment. I'm ready to turn it in. And I've typed in all my stuff. Down here's where I can submit assignment. And look at that. So now it says I've submitted it. It's giving me the time and date. So I have proof that I submitted it. My teacher is able to grade this. If I decide I want to edit something, say I did not realize I forgot the link, or I did not finish all the directions and realized it, I can resubmit it. I can resubmit it and type in, edit my response, and that is just fine as well. Okay, let's go back to modules. And what did we do? We did the discussion question, and you can go back and keep contributing to this. You can go back all throughout this whole week and do the discussion. We did the assignment. Did we successfully log in? Check, we're done. Finally, we got a quiz. Let's see what a quiz looks like in Canvas. All right, no time limit. I get 3 attempts. It's worth 5 points, and there's 5 questions. Again, lots of details. When I'm ready to take the quiz, click the button, take the quiz. Let's see what this quiz looks like. So I got 5 questions right there. Question 1, question 2. It's multiple choice. So I'm going to go in, log into Canvas. Let me click. I'm just going to click through this really fast. Ooh, this one says select all the possible matches. So let's click all of them. Make sure you read the quiz carefully. You don't want to miss points because you didn't do the right question. Let's do click, 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 and let's submit it. Submit at the very bottom. And how did I do? I took less than a minute. Oh, my score was 0.8 out of 5. I did not do very good on that quiz. I do have 2 more attempts available. I can go down and review this quiz. So different teachers set up different things, but I'm gonna look through and I see, whoops, I missed question 1. What was the question? What did I click? Okay, I clicked that one. That's not the right one. Oh, I missed question 2. I checked them all. Whoops. So you can definitely review over your quiz. And that's just a good habit that students do. And then when you're ready, go up at the top and we can take the quiz again. But let me go back to modules. And there we go. We've almost done everything. We've done the discussion, assignment, quiz. You know how to do the video. This one means I just got to click on and view it. And once I do that, everything will be checked off for week 1. Notice this, we have a little button up here. So grades, right? We have a little 1. That means something got a grade. Let's go and take a look at what got graded. Oh, my quiz. There's my thing right there. So I can see I got a quiz score of 0.8. And that means my grade is a 16% based on that quiz. That's not good. I want to get it up higher. All right, one last thing I want to leave you with is what if you have questions? So there's a couple of different ways you can email or message within Canvas, Mr. Schellenkout, myself, Mr. Close. The easiest one probably is to come just right here on the bottom left where it says help, a little question mark. If you click right on here, you can click ask your instructor a question. And look at that. I'm automatically queued up to the middle school preview class. And I can say, hey, Mr. Schellenkout, the link is not working. And then send message. And then we start a conversation. You'll get messages back. They'll show up in your inbox. So you'll get a notification here, like Mr. Schellenkout responded. That's the easiest way to send a quick message right there, no matter where you are. That help button's right there. Now you can also go into the inbox. It won't work for me as a test student right now, but you can go click on the inbox and compose a message in there. I can also go to people and find my teachers right here. Jonathan Close, Dustin Schellenkout. I can click there and message. Lots of different ways to communicate back and forth. That's the great thing about Canvas. But definitely let us know if you have any problems this week, and we want to help you be successful and done with week 1.